My name is Dr. Camilla Frederick, and I'm an occupational health physician. I had finished my family practice residency and was going to go work in Manchester, Kentucky with a 92-year-old partner. I was pregnant with my first child and decided to take an interim position until I delivered, and that interim position was in occupational medicine. And what I found was that the patients in occupational medicine were as needy for someone to be an advocate for them as were the patients that we were going to care for in the mountains of Manchester, Kentucky. Occupational medicine is the treatment of people that get hurt at work. But in addition to that, we are doing all sorts of maintenance, physicals, folks that are being exposed to different chemicals, who might be exposed to different chemicals, who have repetitive motion problems, or other work-related concerns. So what we do is varied every day and is very interesting and is always a challenge. I felt that working in Manchester, Kentucky was a mission field for me, and I've always felt that way about occupational medicine. The worker is in a whole new system they've never been in before, trying to understand it, and I try to help guide them through that process and keep them calm through that process. Many of them change their job during a work comp injury and often after a work comp injury because they don't understand why the employer is putting them through some of the things that they've put them through. I would recommend to an employer to improve their occupational medicine program and safety. Listen to your employees. Ask them where the problems are. Ask them what's not working well. Ask them what's bothering them when they're working so that you can start working on changes. I was looking for a new employer that was more invested in their medical staff. And I feel that I have found an employer that's doing it right. My husband and I own 50 acres and we have 9 horses. So we show horses. We have 4 world champions at this time. My husband likes to restore old vehicles. So we have 4 old vehicles that I drive around. He restores them, I drive them. I like to paint. So we have a busy life.